Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about a couple of shortcuts that I didn't mention in my last video that I've just learnt today through tutoring actually. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to just add a calculator. Now what I was doing before to do the integral symbol, I'm just going to show you the old way and the faster way. So to insert an integral symbol, I was going to click on menu, calculus, and then integral, which is fine, but there's a way that's slightly quicker than that. What I could easily do is I could just click on this box here. If I click on that box, it gives me a bunch of different options, and this one here is the exact same thing. So to save me having to go into menu and everything else, all I had to do is I just had to click on this box. That's it. The second trick that I learned is if I made a mistake in this and I wanted to copy and paste, instead of selecting this and then clicking Control C to copy and then clicking Control V to paste, all you need to do is you just need to select what you want and then you can just click on Enter. And that gives you a copied and pasted version, which is way quicker than doing Control C and then Control V. Now, a trick that I did actually know is if I want to change this to a decimal value, I can just click on Control, Enter, and that'll give me the little squiggly equal sign, which means approximately equal to. That's a trick that I did know, I just don't know if I mentioned it in the last video. Okay, last but not least, instead of having to type in define every single time that you want to define a function, which is quite time consuming using the keypad, there's a quicker way. The quicker way is, so let's say I wanted to define g of x being equal to x squared plus 4x. What I can do is I can just enter g bracket x, then I can click on control and I can click this button here. Now I can just enter the function that I want. So I can just go x squared plus 4x, and that defines the function. So instead of having to type define every single time, which is pretty time consuming, you can just use that little trick. I was mind blown by these and I just learnt them this afternoon, which is crazy because I just made a video yesterday going through some graphics calculator skills. So these are just some really good tricks that are going to speed things up in terms of your processing on your graphics calculator. If you know any other tricks, make sure to definitely leave them in the comments. I'm still learning with this calculator as well. I think a lot of people are still learning, so it's always awesome to share knowledge and learn from each other. That's a big part of education in general. So if you have any other tricks that you know yourself that really speed things up, or maybe it's something I missed in my other video, let me know, leave it in the comments. I'd be happy to hear it, and then I can make a video on it, and that's going to help more people to improve in math methods. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.